Got to do something about this old electrical box right here.
Yeah, I might update that one.
Everything needs replaced. 1940s. Let's talk about the service mindset in this transaction, Trey. The seller situation, what they were going through, and how we came together to make it work and create a win-win situation for her.
Paint on the ceilings. To get the first coat of paint on, cut in, I'm gonna go back and skim it again with some mud. When Gibson gets back, I'm gonna finish this floor in here. I'm gonna paint these cabinets a darker gray from the lazy gray, kind of the contrast make it look right. The gray tile, nice pearl gray grout, lazy gray walls, dark gray cabinets. I'm gonna put some satin cabinet knobs on, those circle ones.
Yeah. Nickel?
Satin.
Satin?
Satin nickel, yeah. That's what it is. Up there, we're just gonna put a regular light.
Boom, boom.
Yep.
Got to do something about this old electrical box right here.
Yeah, I might update that one.
Everything needs replaced. 1940s.
Well, I mean, we can leave it for now. I gotta get a 30 amp breaker in there, run a wire out for the new AC. The new AC is electric, it's not gas, so it's just safer, better.
Let's talk about the service mindset in this transaction, Trey. The seller situation, what they were going through, and how we came together to make it work and create a win-win situation for her.
This one was an out-of-state seller. She was based out of New York. So she actually came into town when we reached out through our cold call. So it ended up being perfect timing for both parties. So I was able to meet her the next day, give her an offer, and actually, we didn't know she owned this house initially. We were actually next door at 7211, and her niece that was with her was like, she also owns that home. So I said, hey, let's just stop in, gauge repairs and everything like that, and I can give you guys a package deal. So we were able to work that out and actually get both of these houses under contract and identify and serve her in the best way that we could.
I just get all over the baseball paint, like I cut in the bottom. So I got the first coat out, now I can go around the house and maybe where I can put extra mud. Sit in there, make sure all the parties are good. Have a quick little video testimonial documented with the whole process. That was like a plan, my man. Good stuff.